Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest developments happening in the defense sector. South Korea, on Friday, unveiled a prototype of its first indigenously developed fighter jet K.A.I KF-21 Boramae, formerly known as KFX. South Korean President Moon Jae-in hailed the KFX to be the future backbone of the South Korean Air Force. The fighter aircraft is considered to be 4.5th generation fighter. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest developments happening in the defense sector. Today, we are going to discuss in detail about the features and specifications of Korean next generation fighter jet K.A.I KF-21. We will also try to answer the frequently raised query about this fighter, such as, why it is not called a 5th generation fighter. The next generation aircraft K.A.I KF-21 has been developed by Korea Aerospace Industries Limited. It is designed to be a cheaper, less stealthy alternative to USA's F-35. South Korea and Indonesia agreed in 2014 to jointly develop the fighter in a project worth $6.3 billion, with Indonesia paying 20% of the cost. It is a 4.5th generation multirole fighter, developed with the goal of producing an advanced multirole fighter for the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. It took nearly 20 years after the project was announced to build its prototype, which was unveiled last Friday. With this, South Korea has joined an elite group of countries that have domestically developed supersonic fighter jet. This is considered as an attempt by South Korea to become self-reliant in fighter jet development, which heavily relies on US-built fighter jets. It currently operates huge fleet of US F-4 Phantom II, F-5 Tiger II, F-15E Strike Eagle, F-16 Fighting Falcon and F-35 Lightning II. South Korea is expecting to have at least 40 of the new jets combat ready by 2028, and 120 by 2032. Now, we will talk about its features and specifications. The KF-21 is a twin-engine, 4.5th generation multirole fighter aircraft. South Korea has sought technological assistance from Saab, Boeing and Lockheed Martin for the production of the KFX. The fighter jet is designed to have stealth capabilities exceeding both the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon but less than the Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II. This is the reason why it is not considered to be a true 5th generation fighter. It is also expected to be superior to the F-16 Fighting Falcon, with 50% greater combat range, 34% longer airframe lifespan, better avionics, active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, more effective electronic warfare, and data link capabilities. Dimension. It has a length of 16.9 meters, wingspan of 11.2 meters, height 4.7 meters and wing area of 501 square feet. The empty weight of the fighter jet is 11,800 kilograms and gross weight of 17,200 kilograms. Its maximum takeoff weight is 25,400 kilograms. Engine. The fighter jet is powered by two G414 afterburning turbofan engine with dry thrust of 57.8 kN and 97.9 kN with afterburner. The fighter has a maximum speed of Mach 1.81. The fighter jet will have an AESA radar developed by Hanwha Systems with assistance from Israel's Elbit system. The radar is expected to match up the performance of F-35. KF-21 is capable of carrying up to 7.7 tons of weapons and fuel under its wings and fuselage. The current variant of the KF-21 does not feature an internal weapons bay, but the future variants could have it. South Korea is purchasing air-to-air missiles for the first KF-21 batch from European companies MBDA and Diehl BGT. The KFX Block 1 will not have an internal weapons carriage, which is planned for subsequent production blocks. The initial version will also lack air-to-ground striking capability since the homegrown long-range air-to-ground missile is to be developed by the mid-2020s. The fighter jet will have 10 hardpoints, 6 under wing and 4 under fuselage. In air-to-air missiles, it can carry MBDA's Meteor, AIM-120 AMRAAM, short-range infrared homing air-to-air missile Iris-T, AIM-9 Sidewinder. In air-to-ground category, it can carry Taurus KEP-350 cruise missile. Overall, it is going to be a decent 4.5th generation fighter, which is going to have high maneuverability, advanced weapons for air-to-air and air-to-surface missions, features to reduce radar signature and integration of radar and infrared sensors. This was today's update. Please let us know your views and opinion regarding the same in comment section. Feel free to suggest any topic on which you want to hear from us. We will be soon back with more amazing development happening in the defense sector.